Welcome back. In lesson 2 of nutrition in mammals, we will define physical and chemical digestion, and we will look at the digestive system. Digestion can be broken up into two different types: physical digestion and chemical digestion. Physical digestion is basically a process of breaking up large food pieces into smaller pieces. For example, if you eat a piece of bread, your teeth will cut the piece of bread into smaller pieces before you can swallow the bread. Physical digestion does not involve enzymes. It takes place in the mouth and in the stomach. In the mouth, when chewing of food by the action of the teeth will help to break down the large food into smaller pieces. These will help in the process of chemical digestion by providing a large surface area. At the same time, in the mouth, the food will be combined with saliva and enzyme amylase for some chemical digestion. In the stomach, the continual contraction and relaxation of the muscles in the stomach wall will help to break down food particles and mix them with digestive enzymes. The digestive enzymes in the stomach are basically proteases. So remember, physical digestion is basically the breaking up of food into smaller pieces by either chewing action in the mouth or the contraction and relaxation of the muscles in the stomach wall. Chemical digestion involves enzymes. In this process, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats will be broken down into small, soluble, and diffusible molecules. The end product will be able to be absorbed into the bloodstream and be circulated to other parts of the body. Chemical digestion involves hydrolytic reaction. The word hydrolytic means hydro means it involves water. Lytic is a process of breaking up. So hydrolytic is a process of breaking down large molecules in the presence of water. Enzymes will catalyze chemical digestion. Without enzyme, chemical digestion will take place very slowly. Both physical and chemical digestion takes place in the digestive system. The digestive system of a human being starts from the mouth, where chewing takes place, and there will be chemical digestion too. The salivary gland will secrete saliva to make the food that you eat moist and easily swallowed. Salivary gland also secretes salivary amylase, which will help in the chemical digestion of carbohydrates. Food from the mouth, after being swallowed, will pass through the esophagus and it will end up in the stomach. Liver plays an important role in digestion as well as assimilation. Stomach is another place where both physical and chemical digestion takes place. The churning of the stomach will help to mix the food with the gastric juices as well as the enzymes. Gallbladder is another part of the digestive system which also helps in digestion, basically in the digestion of fats. Pancreas will secrete pancreatic juice, which consists of some enzymes and these enzymes can be used to digest, or in fact these enzymes secreted by pancreas will help in digestion of carbohydrates as well as some proteins and fats. Small intestine is where the final digestion takes place. At the lower end of the small intestine, absorption of digested food will take place. In large intestine, there's no more soluble nutrients, and what is left and passed through the large intestine are basically undigested food, such as fiber, which comes from vegetables and fruits. Water will be absorbed in the small intestine. Any undigested food will be stored in rectum and will be removed from the body by the anus. You need to memorize the different parts of the digestive system, and you will be required to label the parts of the digestive system.